Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, where we come to you each week showing you how to live a more self-sustainable and happy life. My name is Glenn and we welcome you. You know, like so many of you, our dogs are more than just dogs. They're our family. Now that the Christmas season is here, well, we want them to enjoy the holidays as much as we do. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some very simple Christmas cookies for your fur babies using only 3 ingredients that you probably have in your cupboard. So let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need a half a cup of pumpkin, a half a cup of peanut butter, and 2 cups of flour. You'll also need a mixing bowl and some flour laid out so that you can roll your dough out. Next, we are going to mix the 3 ingredients together. Look out, Rachel Ray. And now the fun begins. Fold in the ingredients until you have formed a nice round ball, and then place that over onto your floured surface. Roll out the cookie dough until you have a nice even surface. Time for the cookie cutters. You know what to do. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. This is what the cookie looks like after it's baked, and we're going to see what the dogs think.
Alright guys, you want a cookie? Here's one. Is it a success? I think so on one. Here goes. Good girl.
Hey guys, if you like this video, be sure and hit the like button
And subscribe.
and hit that bell to receive notifications for future content. We hope you have a great week, and we will see you next week. Bye-bye.
Bye.